Welcome. If you've noticed that Instagram's animations and transitions feel a bit sluggish, or maybe you just prefer a smoother, more dynamic experience, you might have Reduce Motion enabled. Today I'll show you exactly how to turn off Reduce Motion on Instagram so you can get back to enjoying those slick transitions and effects. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look up to the top right corner. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Give that a tap to open up the main menu. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Accessibility. This is where Instagram stores all the features designed to help make the app easier to use for everyone. Inside the accessibility menu, you'll notice a setting called Reduce Motion. If this is turned on, Instagram will limit certain animations and transitions throughout the app, making things feel a bit more static. To turn off Reduce Motion, simply tap the toggle next to it. When the switch turns gray, that means Reduce Motion is now disabled. Instantly, you'll notice that Instagram's animations and transitions are back to their usual smooth and lively style. That's all there is to it. With Reduce Motion turned off, your Instagram experience should feel more fluid and visually engaging. Whether you love the look of animated transitions or just want your app to match your personal preferences, these quick steps will help you customize Instagram to your liking. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your refreshed Instagram experience.